Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Since my video yesterday, Bitcoin has climbed about 2.25% after finding short-term footing near 101,500. Right now, we're seeing a rounded bottom formation developing around $101,600. This recovery, however, faces notable resistance between 103,700 and 104,300, exactly where the 21 and 50 exponential moving averages are converging. Momentum indicators like the MACD and wave trend suggest that buying pressure is slowing, meaning this move might be corrective rather than the start of a strong upward phase. On the 4-hour chart, the broader structure still leans downward, with lower highs remaining intact since early November. The recovery from the 101,600 zone appears more like a relief bounce from oversold conditions than a confirmed reversal. While short-term momentum has improved slightly, both wave trend and MACD remain below neutral, showing the market hasn't yet regained full strength. For now, the key range to monitor sits between 103,700 and 104,300. A clean break and sustained hold above 105,700 could open the path toward 107,600. But if the market fails to clear resistance, we could revisit 101,500 or even around 100,800. Overall, the short-term structure remains neutral to slightly negative, showing stabilization, but not a confirmed shift in trend. Now let's look at the heat maps. On the one-day view, we can see that many traders are opening higher exposure positions near current prices, creating visible hot zones around 102,000, 101,000, and 100,000. The strongest area, however, is sitting above at 105,200. The 3-day heat map makes this clearer, showing heavier short activity, with 105 and 108,000 emerging as the hottest target levels. On the 1-week view, the key cluster stands out at 111,600, the same region where the major drop began in early November. A move back to that level would be a meaningful sign of potential recovery. Finally, looking at the Bitcoin spot ETF net flows, after Tuesday's sharp outflows of roughly $566 million during the drop to 98,900, we saw a more balanced session yesterday on the 5th. That day showed both buying and selling activity, something not seen in over 15 days. The session closed with about 137 million in outflows, although major issuers like Fidelity and ARK displayed clear signs of accumulation. I'll continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time insights. Thanks for leaving a comment, it really helps the channel get more reach. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.